Customizing the My Coffee quantity. The appliance is set by default to automatically deliver 30 milliliters of My Coffee. To modify this quantity, proceed as follows. Place a cup under the coffee spouts. Press the coffee quantity selection icon until My Coffee is displayed. Keep the 1 cup icon pressed until the message 1 My Coffee program quantity is displayed. Release the icon. Coffee delivery begins. As soon as the coffee in the cup reaches the required level, press the 1 cup icon again. The quantity of coffee in the cup has now been programmed.